Zealmaster Hawaii, your one-stop source for all your pavement maintenance needs. Zealmaster Hawaii recently restored the parking lot of one of Hawaii's top tourist attractions, Hanauma Bay. Protect, contact, Zealmaster Hawaii, 839-278.
The following message is an official broadcast from Hawaii Pacific Parks Association and has been approved for distribution by the United States National Service, and Volcano na Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is expected to erupt the next 3 hours, and it will cause major damage in 5 locations. The affected zones are located in Hilo, Kewa, and Pahala, and earthquakes are expected to be severe. At 1:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, an immediate evacuation is for all residents within 300 miles of edges of Honolulu. All Hawaiians should be evacuated by boat or plane to avoid the volcano attack. The national park is officially closed for visitors. Again, an evacuation drill has been issued for all residents of Hawaii within 300 miles of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. If you live in this area, please evacuate from this area immediately until further notice.